What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for coming back for another video. Before we get into the video, first off, I want to say I hope you are staying safe and hope you and your family is well. And I want to send my best wishes to you all. And I hope that you are staying sane with being quarantined and taking into consideration other people's safety and not just going out and hanging out for no reason. I know it's hard to do, but we can get through it. And now, let's get into the video. Yo, what is up, everybody? Thanks so much for coming back for part 5. This is the last video of this series. Just gonna be doing a nice little quick recap. And first off, I wanna say thank you to all of you who have subscribed. We are growing and it feels great, and I hope you've been enjoying the series. So, the recap we're gonna do, we're just gonna go through in no particular order and talk about all the tips that I've learned that we've shared or that I've shared with you all. So let's go and get into it and get into number 1. So, and remember that this is not in any particular order. Which tools to buy and where. The tools also, before we continue on, I'm gonna have the playlist in the description. What I talked about, Geneva bookseller, jetpens.com. There's one I forgot to mention called Paper, Ink, and Arts. I think that's how you pronounce it. That they all sell calligraphy supplies, some more than others. What I do, I'll go on each of those sites and see if they have what I'm looking for, and also you can do the pricing as well. And one thing I forgot to mention, grab it real quick. It's a Rhodia pad. I definitely recommend getting one of these if you're just starting out. Specifically get one with grids on it, so it'll help you with your letters and making sure that they are consistent. And then we talked about how to start practicing and what I used to start practicing. Dedicating at least 15 minutes of focused practice every day, not hours and hours, because you can practice for those long periods of time, but if you're not focused, you're not really going to have good practice put in. And what I used, I just really used what I had available at the time. And the common mistakes that calligraphers make that are new is one, wanting to do what they see other people do right away when you don't have that many hours and days and weeks, months put in to your craft. The things to do to continue improvement, back to what I mentioned about practicing, is dedicating at least 15 minutes a day of practicing and also studying, looking at what other people work did you see that inspires you, and see what you can take from that and to put it into your own work. And I hope you enjoyed the series. That is it. And stay tuned for the video following the week after you see this. And let me know, did you appreciate this series? Did you enjoy it? Just let me know your thoughts below. And did these tips help you out any? And see you in the next video.